Alright, wanted to make a quick video demonstrating the window fix workflow to fix whenever a window is hosted to the wrong side of a wall. So in this example, we have the side that needs fix and a side that's how it's supposed to look. So what we need to do is we actually need to fire up the Dynamo graph. In my case, I just have it called Windows Fix right now. And we can look at a few things. So I'll go ahead and expand this. So we have a color coding system in place. By default, this should open in manual run mode. Always make sure for this workflow that it's in manual. We don't need it in automatic in this case. So we have a color coding system. Blue is kind of some annotation. This mint green is kind of something good to know. And then we have some instructions. So what we need to do is what happens is it offers an isolated selection, and then it'll do a few things. Some of the custom packages that need installed are Archilab, Clockwork, Rhythm, and Spring nodes. Those are, of course, installable through packages, search for a package as well. All right. So what we're doing is we have an isolated selection of generic models, and then we're filtering out the generic models that we need. From there, we are getting the parameters, setting the parameters to the new thing, and then placing a new family instance. So there's not really a way to relocate host through the API. So if I were to click on this and do pick new host, this is really difficult to do. There's not a real way of doing that through the API. So I actually have to create a new family to replace this one, which we're able to do and migrate all the settings. So we're migrating all the numeric and string parameters or text parameters like comments or mark. We're placing a new family, and then we're going to get rid of the old family. Additionally, we're actually copying the dimension strings in the floor plan to the clipboard. So we'll see that work as well. So I'll just drag Dynamo to the other screen and we'll hit run. So it'll tell us to pick generic model windows that need fixed. So what we need to do is we just come in and we do a crossing window over the ones that need fixed. In our case, those are the ones, and then we'll hit finish. So really quickly, Dynamo goes through, places a new family instance that has the parameters and pushes it to that outside wall. Additionally, if we had dimensions within this plan view, what we could do is go to modify, paste, align to same place, and now we have our dimensions intact. So that's kind of how this workflow works right now. Once again, it will copy parameter values as well, including mark and things like that. So let's give that a try and see how that works out.